What's up, guys? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. Once again, we are talking about the Vechain today update. What's going on in the Vechain? What's the latest update, my friends? Now you know what, a lot of people personally message me on Instagram and Telegram that Polygonmatic is about to falls down. You can see it falls down. The falls of the Vechain is start now. The falls of the Vechain starts now. That is why a lot of people, not 2 5 people, a lot of people message me on Instagram, so I can't reply everyone. So that's why I decided to make a video for all of my viewers, my subscriber. My friends, I know that Vechain price start falls down, but you know what, I also told you in my many videos that patience is the important thing with the cryptocurrencies market. If you want to earn from a cryptocurrencies market, so you have to patience, you have to wait. And remember, my friends, if the price start falls down and you decide to sell, so that is really a big mistake of all holders. Any coin you are holding, and when you saw a small falls and you decide to sell, so that is a big mistake of all holders. Selling is not a solution of this problem. Holding is the solution of this problem. Every time if you are in the loss, just leave it and hold it. When you are becoming a profit, sell it and take your profit, go away from the market. That is the simple rules of cryptocurrencies market. Last 1 day changes is about negative 1.04%. Changes is negative. That's mean the price falls down. 0.06929 USD dollar is the highest price of the Vechain in the last 1 day. Everything is going good, and I hope Vechain give you profit. Just hold it and don't decide to sell. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.